welcome back to another video. Dude, fall time is the freaking, honestly, it's just the best time to cruise, honestly, bro. Strip Hop M5 is literally a whole different car. But I hope you boys been doing good, bro. Look at this freaking time. It's freaking amazing. Dude, this is what I love about Cali, bro. How it's just so many different freaking seasons. But honestly, I'm okay with it, man. Living in California is something else, bro. I'm so grateful to be here. I lived in Chicago. I was in Texas. I was in New York. Been to Florida, bro. Nothing beats Cali, honestly. Oh, dude. I accidentally hit myself in eco. Wait, what? Oh, dude. So what's so weird about this button right here? You see there's a exhaust button. It pretty much it's like a tuner low key, bro, because when I turn this thing off, it doesn't pop anymore. It completely stops popping. And usually like this button was for like closing the valves on the stock exhaust, but I'm sure, like, honestly, bro, this button would not change the sound. All it would do is stop popping, which I can do the same thing with eco mode. So I guess in other words, it's like essentially going into eco mode. But if you guys have been enjoying these POVs, man, make sure you guys leave a like. My main goal eventually is to keep buying more cars as usual. When that day comes, bro, that's when it's really gonna be lit, honestly. Because my goal is to be able to do like a POV on every car, like on a daily basis. And obviously to get there, I have to go to the next level. So that's why I'm hyped, boys. I'm hyped. The end of the year's coming. I have traction on right now, and it sounds different low key, because I mean obviously it sounds different, right? It's slowing me down. It's not letting me push it, because you can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it on my camera, but I was losing traction, which is crazy with 4 wheels, honestly, bro. It's freaking crazy. All-wheel drive losing traction. Yeah, bro, no, it sounds different for sure. It doesn't scuff my shifts. Amazing, bro. What other car would be lit? I feel like I still would want an M3 comp, low key, boys. So I think I'm gonna be pushing towards the M3 comp next. If I can make enough money to buy like an E63, yeah, E63S, and then eventually RS7. And then once I get all those cars, I think I'm chilling when it comes down to like German. Unless I'm not thinking of one right now, but I definitely want to get a C8 for sure. C8 or a C6. Definitely want to get one of those. Those will go so freaking hard, bro. I just like the engines in Corvettes, bro. You can build it. You can actually boost them like pretty good, like, and not have to worry about really rebuilding anything. You know, just put like bolt-on, like intake, downpipe, and you can make it push like a lot, and it will hold up pretty well. And then of course the main goal, honestly, boys, is like a twin turbo Lambo, SVJ, 720S maybe one day for sure, 720S. But I just want an SVJ and twin turbo Lambo. That's honestly, I think I'm set. Just get a V10 and a V12. What I really like about the McLaren is the handling, but I wish it is also V8 twin turbo, which is obviously a plus for me. That's what I would want, is a V8. So anything, I don't want anything below V8. Obviously GT3 RS is probably like the only exception. See, scuff, shift, scuffed. I can't wait to tune this thing. I really hope I can make it more aggressive, low-key. I don't even care about it being faster. I just want it to sound more aggressive. See, that whistle is everything, bro. That whistle's freaking everything. It's honestly, boys. Honestly, boys, it's so crazy how many people have money in this world, man. Like, there's so much opportunity in this world, man. You just gotta go full send with everything you do. So I'm excited, man. I'm still hustling every day. I'm still learning as much as I can every day. I just can't wait to go to the next level, man. And I'm gonna be honestly so quiet about it too. Like, all you're gonna see is me buying new cars, and that's it. They're not gonna see much information other than that. That whistle is freaking beauty. That's so... It sounds honestly freaky. Oh, low-key a Mustang. The new Mustangs go hard. Honestly, I'll get one of those. Man, this wall's being closed off is freaking lit. Honestly, I can't get over the whistle. That whistle goes crazy. That's honestly, this is what sold me about this car. Mercedes sound amazing. Like, I really want to. Oh, CLS 63. That's actually what I feel like will go hard. CLX 63. Wait, 911 turbo. Oh snap! Freaking beautiful car. I'm gonna take this to the freaking garage, dude. Dude, taking this car. After putting the straight pipe, taking this thing to the garage sounds crazy. Holy crap. Holy crap. No. Don't stop popping. That's freaking crazy. I don't want to blow up people's eardrums right now, so I'm taking a chill over here. There's too many people out right now, bro. Bro, everyone's going Black Friday shopping. There's literally no parking, bro. Honestly, Black Friday shopping is cool, man, but I feel like most things that people buy, you won't be used later, like in a year. Like, all the electronics I want to buy, like the ones I actually want, they're still full price. I mean, obviously they're not giving the craziest freaking deals, but it's good when you don't want to go full send. Like, if I get an iPad, I want to go full send on it, you know? Get like the best one, the Pro. But yeah, boys, there's freaking there's literally no parking. I'm literally trying to find parking. I can't find anything. It's probably better just go to... Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more. I'll see you guys later. Peace.